Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select reminder ringtones on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on this settings icon in the upper right corner. Then tap on sounds notifications and click on reminder ringtone. Here it is set to beep, but as you scroll down you can see that there is a vast variety of options that you can choose from. All you have to do is clicking on the relevant one. However, if you feel like to do so, you can also custom your ringtone and select a file from your documents if you have any ringtones that you have downloaded. If you go back, you can also select different ringtones for different priority tasks. So in the TickTick application you have the possibility to prioritize your tasks, such as high priority, medium priority or low priority. And if you have these prioritized tasks, you can set different ringtones for them. So click on the relevant one. Here for the high priority tasks, the blocks ringtone is selected. For medium priority the harp is selected, and for low priority the music box is selected, but feel free to change them for any other ringtones that you like. And as you can see, there is this constant reminder function, which means that all tasks will be constantly reminded until you handle them. However, this is a premium feature, so it's only available for those people who have purchased the premium app. So here you can find the completion sound and app haptics function, meaning that there will be a slight vibration when completing or dragging the task. Here the default notifications for shared tasks, meaning that you can choose to receive the following notifications from all shared lists. If the notification type of a specific list is manually changed, the default settings will no longer take effect on this list. So you can select these if you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.